It is April 6th at 11 at night. And today we are going to make rolls in the middle of the night because I have nothing better to do. So ignore those. All right. Thanks, bye. Here's me adding a cup of water. Here's me awkwardly, quietly trying to go and get the yeast. Oh wow, look at there. I got it. Are you proud? Look, me, beauty guru, showing off yeast like it's foundation. Trying to open yeast quietly. Here's me, going to go get a tablespoon. 2 tablespoons of yeast into hot water. And then I mix up yeast and water so it disintegrates into the water. I'm sure you all want to eat yeast and water. And then we add 1/3 cup of oil, once again, showing it off like it's foundation. And then I grab the sugar and we add 1/4 cup of sugar. After you add the sugar and the oil, you let it sit for 5 minutes. Here's me walking downstairs to the oven to preheat it to 425 because I didn't want to use the upstairs oven because I was scared of making loud noises. And then you add 1 egg. Once again, I show it off like it's foundation. Why did I make that face? And then you add a teaspoon of salt. I smack that thing, so there it goes, not making loud noises. Why am I showing everything off like I'm a beauty guru? Because I'm not. Felicity, I swear to God, if you don't stop showing things off like a beauty guru, I will kill past you. And then you add 3 cups of flour. Wow, you can count to 3. Good for you, Felicity. Here's me mixing it into balls and putting it on the thing. You add it in the oven for 8 to 12 minutes. take some butter, put it in the microwave for less than 30 seconds, and then put it on your rolls. Now, to try one. Tastes like a roll. Really good one. I hate eating videos. I am becoming what I hate the most.